Today, I'm gonna float you on back to one of my favorite childhood summer treats, the ice cream float. Okay, so the ingredients are simple. It's ice cream and soda. I love the classic version, which is root beer, but you can use Coke, Dr. Pepper, or Pepsi. It's just really all about the foam. Who remembers the orange sickle or dreamsicle? It has that orange citrus outside and the creamy vanilla center. Guys, this tastes just like it. It is so good. Okay, brace yourselves. This is the peanut butter cup. It is vanilla ice cream, club soda, a peanut butter chocolate syrup. We're going to hit it with whipped cream, top it with Reese's Pieces, and then use the peanut butter sauce as the garnish. And you can find that recipe on the blog. This is so delicious. But if you want to step up your game, you're going to want to make the pineapple upside down cake. It's pineapple soda, cinnamon sugar mixed, poured over vanilla ice cream. We hit it with whipped cream and then a nice little dusting of the cinnamon sugar and garnish with the cherry, just like the dessert. You can see the possibilities are endless. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and like and comment below on your favorite recipe. Thanks for watching.